Hello! Today I'll be giving you a look at one of CDR's modernization enhancements. This web application leverages your IBM I server to provide a more modern front end. Here we have the ability to create an account. Users are able to create accounts on their own while being moderated by a local admin or being tied to a domain. What this means is you can designate someone in your office to approve all new accounts that are being made, or you can just tie it to the domain, which is like the at cdrsoftware.com. Users can put in their own information, create their accounts. There's also a self-service forgot password. This will generate an email that gets sent to them with a secure link on resetting their passwords for the accounts. Um, Let me go into logging in. So essentially, this is going to be the main menu of our green screen. This application is still actively in development, and this screen will show AR, billing, inventory, etc. Today we're just going to cover file maintenance and work with items. Here is the work with items screen. We made this app reactive to most modern mobile screens like phones and tablets. So I can go ahead and resize this. You can see as it shrinks down, information changes. And so basically you can see how it looks on a phone or a tablet. Another thing I'd like to point out is the select warehouse feature. This allows the filtered results to be tied to a warehouse. We are using some dummy data, and so we only have two warehouses, but in your situation, it would show your warehouses. Next, we have filtering by. This allows you to filter your items and see your results down here. We utilize a partial search, so I can use box here. I can filter. So what this means is it will show things that are, that have the word box. I'm sure this can come in handy with dealing with seasonal items. You could type in Halloween, pull up all your Halloween items. Or you can do items with varieties such as Hershey Kisses with almonds. You're able to type in kisses and see which varieties you have. You can even continue to limit down to multiple fields. So for instance, if I wanted to view sales class 100. So now I am pulling up items with box and sales class 100. Another feature that I'd like to point out is the ability to print and export. Clicking the print will create a PDF file where you can email it or print it out. Export creates a CSV file, which you can open in Excel. And here you can see your item descriptions, retail pack information. The information that's listed on the screen gets created in the Excel file. Another thing I'd like to show you guys is the action button. So once I select an item, I come over here to actions, and I have some options I can take. Edit pricing, add balances, scan codes, copy items, messages, view components for super pack items. Today we'll just be covering over edit, as these are still in development. Here's our edit item screen. I'd like to point out the product image. We utilize the UPC number to reach out to CDR server, which has over 12,000 product images based off of UPC code, and it presents them here. Another cool feature is you can make edits to the screen, which will show in the green screen. So here we can change the sales class to 10. If prompted, I can confirm. Now I can look at the item here, 100003, and I can see that the sales class has now been updated to 110. This also works. I can put data in here and refresh this page, and the data will change in here. We utilize an API to get this data. This is pretty important because it allows easy third-party integration. Let me pull it up here. This covers all the fields of the database files. Think of this as like an online query. The API leverages your data, providing a wealth of information that we can now provide to third-party vendors. This allows us to quickly interface with other third-party APIs as well. So that concludes our demo for our new application. Be sure to follow our channel as we continue to develop and enhance our application. There's also helpful tutorials and more. So be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you guys very much.